Woke up feeling blessed. Oh,
you know the vibes. I feel like we start every vlog in this car, but you know the vibes. Today we going mommy shopping, getting a gift for Mama Dukes for Mommy's Day. Starbucks already, we didn't vlog that, so we fucking pumped up. Cop a little something for Mama Dukes, and then tomorrow we're probably gonna get the flowers, because if I get them today, they're gonna die. I can't really hide flowers from my mom, so so yeah, we're gonna do that, and then later we probably gonna hit the city. So you know the vibes, stay beige, baby.
yeah, you know the vibes, like why you picking sides? You know I'm from the fucking east.
What you looking at? What you looking at? So as you can see, we're in Ikea. We're looking for a gift for mommy. Ikea shop. I love you, mommy. You should love your mommy too.
God, my face makes all the haters horrified. Cut you off, yeah, you disqualified. Disqualified, yeah, you
Hack into the unit.
disqualified.
There's a whole fucking ball, bro. Feel how hard this shit is. Shit is hard as hell. Oh, I feel like Rachel Ray. Welcome to the Beige kitchen.
Disqualified, yeah, you disqualified.
Our lowest price, $4 grand. MTV crib. MTV crib. How comfortable? Rated. Rated. 8.5. I'm trying to study here, mom. So.
Six and a half hours later.
%100% flavor, 0% meat. Pause. Where does the flavor come from? 75 cents? Look at that shit. That shit green as hell.
You know what's funny though? They say all
like
those
the shits my dog takes, bro.
all those veggie shits, bro. They be saying it's like, oh, it's healthy because it ain't got no meat. But like, how you make that flavor? It's all like, how do you, like, no type of, what the fuck? It's like scientifically modified, and they say it's healthy.
You know what that shit probably made out of, bro?
What?
Semen.
Animal semen. I'm telling you right now, Ikea is the best place to take a girl on a date. You got food, you got coffee,
And you got the beds.
you. It's crazy. Look at this.
Ooh, is that salmon?
Yeah, we got salmon here.
I got the cacti. You know the vibe. Shout out Travis Scott. This is gonna be part of the gift for my mommy. She just redid the bathroom, so I feel like these 3 plants right here will fit perfect in the bathroom. What you think?
Hell yeah. You don't even have to water that shit.
That ass. You just leave this here. Low maintenance as
Honestly,
fuck.
though, you might not even have to water it like once a year because it's moist in the bathroom.
Yeah.
It's not like all like humid and shit.
Unless these motherfuckers take a hot ass shower and this shit fucking. Word. So cop the gift. Gotta leave Ikea right now. You know the vibe. I have salmons at Ikea. Go cop your salmons for the Lolo. I think it's a GMO salmon.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Watch that shit be
GMO
from like
salmon.
LA River and shit.
It's the leftover salmons. The sewer salmon. Jeez.
Travis, you kind of fucked up with that shit.
Yeah, that cacti drink, that shit was ass, dog. Pineapple was aight, but that shit was ass, bro.
The lime one don't even taste like lime, bro.
It's like fizzy as hell, right?
Yeah, it's a weird ass taste, bro.
The fizzies.
How'd that shit taste though?
I don't know. That shit was kind of like. It has a weird taste. I think it's that agave or agave, some shit like that. That cactus looking shit.
So you gotta keep your heads in the frames. We out of here. What do we say? What do we say? We out of here.
Blessed, oh yeah, oh yeah. Woke up feeling blessed, oh yeah, oh yeah.